Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. In the last class, I have done a few grammar mains. Okay, let's continue. And also, I was gave you what opposites, that is anatomies and the genders, right? So today we will move to the next main. Later, I'll give you the degree of comparison, right? Degree of bigger, biggest, like that. I'll teach you that also. So we'll go to that next. Okay. First, you complete this WH questions. Make WH questions. Or in the last class, you read only yes or no. That is closed. Okay, that was a closed questions. Just you have to answer with yes, I have had your coffee. Yes, I had my coffee. Had your, where are you going? Are you going to field? Yes, I am going. No, I am not going. Like that. Yes or no with the answer. But now I am giving you the WH. W or H. In W is what, when, where, which. Okay. In H, how, then. In this how only, how far, how old, okay, how much, right? So likewise we will do here whose, when, which starts from H, the question word which starts from H, W or H is a WH questions, right? So now first one is already given for you. I exercise because it keeps me healthy. Healthy. Why do you exercise? Because so they are given because means the reason you have to give. Always why it is given. Why are you writing means I am writing because it gives me knowledge. Why are you reading? It improves my reading skill. So you have to give the reason. When why is given, you have to write because I am, like that. Because it gives, because it is, like that. Okay. Why your mother is scolding you? Because you have done some mistakes. Okay. Likewise. My hobbies are traveling and photography. They gave the question, my hobbies are. Then, what are your hobbies? First one, second one for you. What are your hobbies? Third one. It is 3 kilometers. Means they are saying you from here, it is 3 kilometers from here to beach. How much? How far? Okay, how far? How far? F-A-R, distance. Don't write F-O-R. F-A-R. Far. Is it from here to beach? From here to beach. Question mark. Then it takes 20 minutes to get to the airport from here. How much time? Okay. How much time? How many you should not write? How much time and given short form time? How much time it takes to airport from here? To reach airport. To reach airport from here. How much time it takes to reach airport from here? The airport, sorry. The, right? The here, okay, in between. I'll write properly. Wait, children. You'll miss that only. Reach the airport from here. We ate bread and jam for breakfast. What did you see the past tense and present tense? Ate is given in the answer. What did you eat for breakfast? Eat, ate. What did you eat for breakfast? Sixth one. Shelley lives in France. Where does Shelley, S should be in capital letter. Shelley live. My sister is 6 years old. How old is your sister? Is your sister. 8. I was born in Patna. Where were you born? Where were you born? I born in Patna, like that. My teacher is Miss Gracie. Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? My birthday is on 22nd October. When is your birthday? Eleventh. It is Karan's pencil. Whose pencil is this? Whose pencil is this? I gave my book to Alex. Whom did you give your book? Whom did you give your book? 13. I'll write here. Please see it. I am feeling better now. Thank you. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling? Feeling. Feeling. Now. How are you feeling now? Okay. Now, read the passage. You have to read the passage. I'll read the passage, children. Please see through that. You have completed this now. You can pass it and you can write. Okay. Aditi went to a department store. The salesman asked her, "Can I help you?" Aditi told him that she was looking for a pair of shoes. She was looking for a pair of shoes. The salesman took her to the shoe section. Aditi looked at all the shoes, wondering which one she should buy. She then chose a pair of blue shoes. "Try them on," said the salesman. The shoes fit her perfectly well. She bought him them and came home. The next day, she wore a pair of shoes to a birthday party. All her friends said how lovely these shoes are. Don't say shoes. This is shoes. Shoes. Okay. Pick the following from the passage. Declarative sentence. From this passage, you have to choose the declarative sentence. First sentence will be, the shoes fit her perfectly well. The shoes fit her perfectly well. Write down. Okay. Second, interrogator. Can I? Interrogator, asking question. Can I help you? Third, how lovely these shoes are. This is exclamation mark. How lovely these shoes are. Fourth, try them on. Try them on. This is imperative. So I have completed one chapter. I completed one chapter now, children. Now we will move to the second chapter, that is articles. A and the. Articles are a and the. Where we have to use a, where we have to use and where the is used. First we will see where we will use a. An article is a noun. Noun is nothing but a name of a person, place, thing, or an animal. It's a name. Before that, we give a word like and, the, or as the article. It shows whether it is singular or plural or what it is. Right. See, now complete the table which that begins with a and the. The table you will write. I hope you have completed this. Now we are going to the second chapter, that is articles. In this, a and the other article. This articles comes before nouns. Before the noun, we are using this article. Now there is a table. A and the. Insects, a butterfly, an ant. So the second one I'll write bird. Bird, a parrot, an owl or an eagle. Next, flower, a rose, an orchid, an orchid. Orchid, you should not say orchid. Place. A Paris, right there, capital letter, a Paris, and America or an England, whichever. An England. Food item. Food item. A dosa, and idli. You observe where an will come. See the ovals. E, O, E, I. Like this, ovals. You should see that. Before the oval word, you will get an. Object. Object. A pencil. An egg. An egg. Next, I'll write there. Animal. A car. Sorry, a lion. Sorry, children. Animal, a lion, an elephant. Then vehicle, a car, an aeroplane. aeroplane. Person, a hero, an assistant. An assistant. Second one, you have to take the correct right option. Dash International Airport. I'll finish this main children. And international, right in the blank. And second one, first one here, second one here. Okay. And dash adventure. And adventure. Third one, an expensive car. Fourth one, an important letter. Fifth one, a sad story. A rainy. Sixth one, a rainy day. Seventh one, an easy sum. An old house. Yeah, ninth one, ninth, 10th. Okay. And internet cafe. 10th one, a healthy diet. A 11th, a university student. A you is there also student. Okay. A university student. 12th, an underground passage. 13th one, an European lady. 14th one, a honest man. 15th, a heavy suitcase. 16th, an educated lady. So, I'll stop till here. The next class, I'll continue articles. Okay. In 3 classes, I can complete this. Completed children. Now, I'll give you the degrees. Few words I'll give of degrees. Say, okay, children, practice it. Please write it in your homework book. Write in homework book. Write in homework book. Somewhere you don't write, children. Copy it in your homework book only, children. Degrees of comparison. Degree of comparison. Positive, Positive degree, okay. Comparative and superlative. Okay. Like big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Easy, easier, IER, okay? Easiest. Short, shorter, shortest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Stronger, strongest. Okay, children. This 6 I have given now. In the next class, other 6 I am going to give. Okay. You finish the 6. Another 6 in other type. Okay, the same comparative, more and most, where we will use more and most, I will say you, this one you have to write this in your homework book. Okay. So here completes your this class. Hope you are writing everybody, and you have to submit your classwork on time on Wednesday only. So bring your classworks without fail and get correction. Even grammar classwork textbook also you have to take correction. Okay, bring your grammar textbook also. Don't fail. Without fail, I have to see how much you have written everything. Right? Take correction from the teachers, from the whatever classwork you have written. Respective teachers will be there. On Wednesday, bring your books and take the correction. Okay, children. Have a nice day.